Hi, I'm Mike from Cryptonomic. We make the Galleon wallet for the Tezos blockchain, and today we're going to do a thing in Galleon. The thing that we're going to do is update to the latest release and configure Galleon to use an alternate node. So I develop Galleon, so usually I run pre-releases, not the official releases, but this is the public release, so I know that the current version is 1.2.8. So we're going to go grab that. First, I'm going to quit Galleon. This is our GitHub page for releases. I'm going to download the latest. Cool. Here it is. I'm going to drop it in my applications folder. Then we're going to run it. Now this happens sometimes. The reason for this notice is that the application was downloaded off the internet, not through the App Store. But the application is signed and notarized by Apple, so it was fine to use. We're going to open it. And here's Galleon, and we're running 1.2.8. Great. Now, if we wanted to use an alternate node, we go to settings and we click to add custom node. There are a bunch of fields here, but let's talk about API key, Tezos URL, and Consay URL. Cryptonomic has an infrastructure service called nautilus.cloud. Here we offer Tezos and Consay clusters. So it's not just a single node, it's multiple for both of them for higher performance, and you can sign up with a GitHub account. So I'm already logged in, so let's grab the Tezos URL, put that here. Let's grab the Consay URL and the API key. Now the API key can be rotated using this button here, which I will do after recording this video because I don't want other people using my key. The name, we're going to just give it a sample. Platform is Tezos, network is mainnet, and we're done. I'm going to go back to login. We're going to open a wallet that we have previously set up for these demos. Cool, and now we're connected to the custom node that we configured, and it's syncing the account. And that's it. We did a thing with Galleon. Till next time.